Greetings, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a junk journal out of one book. This is my first attempt. This is the front cover, which is like really cute. Then I'm going to the back cover. I didn't want to mess with the cover because I thought the flowers would be nice. This is the inside cover. I like the red. It has some beautiful illustrations in there, so I wanted to keep all those. Now what I did here is I put all paper clips on the pages that I wanted to remove. Now there's two ways you can remove it, with a ruler or just tear, so be careful. And now I've removed all the pages. So in the next couple of images, which I'm not going to go through, is that I share a few ways that I created the different pockets that I've had in the book. I just went with what I wanted to create. It was a learning curve and I fully enjoyed it, and I think you should try it and see how you get on. I copied a few of the ways of the pockets, but it was really good. And yeah, and I just tried the different ways to do the pockets, and I just thought, let's see how it goes. So this is a quick flick through of the final junk journal I made from a single book. Didn't put anything on the front or the back. I was going to, but says no, I'm just going to leave it, and let's have a quick flick through. Oops. This was the one where I cut the page in half and flipped one side and this side the other. This one works. This one doesn't really work too well, but it's all about a learning curve. I love these images. I got some stickers that I put in because it allows people to write in the book. I'm not going to be writing in this book because I have a thing. I have books, I don't use them. I just like buying them because they're really cute and pretty. I like this one because it's a double one, so you can have it on both sides. The images in the book are really nice. This is a double one. And I put these spaces for you to write in, well, for them to be written in, should I say. There we go. Again, that can be a double one. You can actually turn it the other way as well. It's not too bad considering it's my first book. I wanted to see if I could do it from just one book, and I have successfully done so. And there we go. I found some stickers that I'd made, so I'd put them in there. I don't think it really fits in because they're quite glossy. As you can see in the camera, they're quite glossy, but they're nice pictures though, so I think next time I'll actually do the matte because they'll work really well. I love these pictures. And I've got these as well, which breaks up the text behind. And then that's it. So thank you for joining me on how to make a junk journal with one book. Okay, I'm back again. I found some washi tape that I forced myself to use because I don't like using my stuff, and I've added some washi tape element to the book as well. And I think what I find is I keep wanting to put more embellishments in the book, and I think you'll find to do the same too. But you need to know when to stop. Okay, thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Bye.